For this recipe, the first ingredient you need is shredded fermented bamboo shoot. First, you have to wash it properly 3-4 times so that it doesn't taste sour. Then you have to add enough water and salt. Stir it properly and let it cook for 10 minutes. Other ingredients are chopped potatoes and chilies and 500 grams of chicken. After 10 minutes, we are now adding the potatoes and will let it cook for a few minutes. Actually, potatoes and chilies are optional ingredients. We Patanis don't add potatoes in this dish. But as a hosteler, we are so used to eating potatoes in every meal that we have added it here as well. But as I said, this is extra ingredient, so you can skip it. Yeah, covered.
So meanwhile, we will prepare this local rice brought by my Apatani friend. She got it from her paddy field. So let's cook it. And we don't need to wash this, as this is local rice. My Apatani friend told me that they don't wash this local rice. So now we are adding some extra or more water to prepare this rice. So I'll try to measure it using my Asian measurement. Do you want to see what is the Asian measurement? That is our finger. So let's see. I think this will be a little less. We need to add more water. As my friend told me that they need to add, this rice require more water. So we're adding extra water. I think this should be enough now. Let's measure it again. Yeah, this will be fine. We are also measuring it with our spoon. Now we are checking if our potato is half cooked or not. We prepare it for 10 minutes. So I think the potato is half cooked. Let me stir it properly. Oh no, my friend spilled this hot water over my thighs. It hurts a lot. After this, I got this scar. And now I'm going to add chicken. Let's add chicken. I have washed this chicken properly, guys. So, but you can see some bloods. But I have washed it properly, okay? Don't think that we are unhygienic. You have to add this chicken after cooking this bamboo shoot and potato for like 15 minutes. And then because the chicken takes less time to cook, so you have to add chicken at the last and cook it for like 20 minutes, 15 or 20 minutes until the chicken is cooked properly. It depends on where you are cooking and in the temperature you are cooking it. So lastly, we have added some chilies for some taste and more water because we need some soup. Let's stir it again. That's it. It will be cooked after 15 to 20 minutes and then we will give you our review. Arunachal bamboo shoot chicken's review. Oh, we forgot to add some salt. Now we are adding it. So you have to add some salt as per your taste. If you like salty food, so you can add more salt. If you consume less salt, you can add a little lesser. It depends on your taste. So you just add salt according to your taste. Wow, it's boiling so beautifully. Oh, our rice is cooked now. Wow, it looks good. See, this is how the local rice looks like. Ta-da! It's ready! Wow! We have our local rice and local bamboo shoot chicken. Arunachali local bamboo shoot chicken with our extra ingredient potato. So this is rice. Now my Arunachali friend will start serving this food. Oh, okay. Before that, I will show you. This is also Arunachali pickle. This is fish pickle. And let me show you again. I'm obsessing over the food that we have prepared, so I'm taking it, showing it to you properly. Now my Arunachali friend will start serving. My Assamese friend eats little less, so she will serve less food. Now let's add our special dish. Chicken. Oh, she was asking for bone chicken with bones. She don't like meat. She likes chicken with bones. The best piece. She likes the best piece. So let's see how she will review it.
You first eat and tell us.
Yeah, अभी के लिए.
Yeah, it really looks nice. Okay, let me taste it first.
So this is our review for the food after we are done eating. First, my Assamese friend is reviewing.
It's really good, guys. It's very delicious. I have never tasted Apatani cuisine before, and I never thought like without oil this chicken will taste this good. You guys should really give it a try and taste it yourself.
As for me, I really enjoyed the food. It was simple, healthy, and easiest chicken recipe. Thank you, Nani, my Patani friend, for your dish. I recommend everyone to try this. Bye, guys.